Okay, this is August the 9th, 2026 here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. And this is the start of the Destremps tubing adventure down the
it's the
Harvie
43-year
reunion
excursion.
Reunion excursion.
And we're going to start by drowning ourselves.
We got Skylar, Paige, Rich, and Forrest and I are going to be the support team for this thing. And
first on the list of stupid events and stupid things to do.
Oh yeah, this
is go into freezing ass cold water into rapids.
Mountain fresh water,
glacier water,
fed water, and okay, hang on. Obscene. We're going to cover this up.
Oh, this is going to be cool.
Here we go. You're doing it.
Okay.
Come here.
You got this. You gotta get close to her. She's gonna be gone. You get her. Quickly. Go. Go.
No, you go by yourself. Oh my God.
You got it.
Oh.